Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to place an order on Mikasa website. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website mikasa.com. On the search bar, type in and search for the particular item you wish to order. Then click on the product you wish to buy. Next, select the quantity. Then click on Add to Cart. Once you've added all the items you wish to buy, review your cart. If the items are gifts, click on the ick box beside Is this a gift? You could also include a message for the recipient. Once done, click on Checkout. On the checkout page, select first the payment method. You could use Shop Pay, PayPal, or Google Pay. Select your preferred payment method. Then sign into your account. After that, enter now the first name, last name, delivery address, and phone number. Lastly, review the payment details. If everything's good, click on the tick box to agree with the terms, conditions, and policy. Then click on Complete Purchase. That's how you place an order on Mikasa site. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.